Alright guys, 2013 Acura RDX, and we're gonna replace a cabin filter. Here's the cabin filter. There's the part number on this little guy right there, 3047. Alright, that's the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located inside this glove box. Should be a very simple job, guys. You push this button, the glove box opens. Right in here, if you look all the way in there, right, you're gonna find this little guy right here. This is gonna open up this tray, but to open that tray, we do need to remove this little guy right here. So all you do is you yank it, and all this will come off. All right, if this stays behind, you can put your fingers in there and pull it out. Right. So anyways, I'm gonna put my light over here so we can see. You see an arrow here, an arrow there. All right, so all you do is you push this that way, this that way, and you should be able to open up this little guy. So you're gonna have this little guy out. Then inside here you have this cabin filter. Right here's the cabin filter, guys, and there's usually an arrow right there. You see the airflow? If you're gonna follow the same airflow. So let me get the new filter ready and we'll continue. All right guys, here's my new filter. So all you do is you take this new filter, you stick it in there, and you're gonna push this filter in all the way. All right, both sides. After that, you're gonna take your lid here, you're gonna line it, and you're gonna clip it in, guys. So very simple. You could take this little guy, push this in, bada bing bada boom. Don't forget to put this guy in. This guy is gonna just clip right in. Just align all the holes. Let me grab my light back in my hand and line all the clips through the holes, and you should be able to get this guy in easily. I'm working with one hand, so I can't like angle it right. All right, there you go, guys. Bada bang bada boom. You can take the manuals. This is where the manuals go. Everything back together, guys, and close it up. That's it, guys. Please subscribe, share, and like with all my videos. If you have any questions, please send me a message.